Hello students, welcome back to the online session. This is our session 2 of Science chapter 6, that is changes around us. In the first session, we have learned reversible changes. In this video, we will learn irreversible changes with number of examples. Okay, so let's continue the chapter.
Class 6 Science Chapter 6 Changes Around Us Session 2 Changes around us. Changes take place around us all the time. It is a continuous process and it is the law of nature. Change means the act which brings difference in the form of the material or thing. The differences takes place by themselves or these are bring out by living organism. Changes can be classified as reversible change and irreversible change. In the first session, we have studied reversible change. In this session, we will try to find out what are irreversible changes. Let us study some examples of irreversible change. So the first example is take a balloon and blow it to its full size. Tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of a pin. Oops! It burst. It means it cannot regain its shape. We cannot get the original balloon back, right? Means this change cannot be reversed. So, this type of change is called irreversible change. Take a piece of paper, draw an aeroplane on it and cut along its outline. Now, can I get the original paper back? No, we cannot get the original substance back because here we have cut the paper to make the aeroplane. So, this kind of changes where we cannot revert the changes and cannot get the original substance back are known as irreversible changes. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough. Bake it on a tawa. Will roti regain the original shape? No, it can't regain the original shape because it is an irreversible change. Every day we use a pencil and an eraser. With repeated use, their shape and size changes, right? Can we get the original shape and size of the pencil and eraser back? No. We cannot get back the original pencil and eraser after repeated use because again this change is irreversible change. So we can say that irreversible changes are the changes that cannot be reversed or undone. You cannot get the original substance back. Irreversible change is a permanent change. You must have seen a potter working on his wheel. He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Maybe he is not happy with its shape and wish to change it. Will he be able to do it? Yes, he can change the shape of a pot. So, this type of change is called reversible change. He then bakes the pot in an oven. The pot is ready for use. Now, can he change the shape of the pot? No, he cannot change the shape of the pot because it is an irreversible change. So now I believe that you have completely understood the difference between reversible change and irreversible change. Now here you have to identify the reversible and irreversible changes from the given examples. First example is emptying water from a bottle into a mug. Second example, burning of a matchstick. Yes, emptying water from a bottle into mug is a reversible change because we can fill the bottle again, right? And burning of matchstick is an irreversible change because we cannot burn the matchstick again. Next example is expansion of a balloon, and the last example is growing of a bird into a flower. You will find that expansion of balloon is a reversible change and change of bird into a flower is an irreversible change. Here are some common changes that occur in our day-to-day life. Identify the reversible and irreversible changes. First example, stretch rubber band to its normal size. Yes, it is a reversible change. We can get the rubber band to its normal size. Raw egg to boiled egg. It is irreversible change. Batter to idli. Again it is irreversible change. We cannot get the original substance back. Wet clothes to dry clothes. Reversible change. Woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Again it is a reversible change. Milk to paneer. It is an irreversible change. We cannot get back the milk from paneer. Okay, so we have looked at number of examples of reversible and irreversible changes. So we have learnt that reversible changes are the changes that can be reversed and irreversible changes are the changes that cannot be reversed. In the next session, we will study about expansion and contraction. Thank you for watching the video.